Hey guys, this is how to change your Roblox display name or Roblox username. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss two solutions, and for mobile users, I will show a step-by-step guide. So now, first, just simply go for the roblox.com and sign in into your account. And after that, just simply go to the settings on the top right corner of the screen. And now from here, just simply go ahead and go to the settings. And after that, here on the settings, just make sure you are in the account info. And from here, guys, as you can see, you will have two names over here. The display name, this is the name of your in-game display. And when it comes to the username, guys, this means that this is where you log in or provide your username, login, and password. Now, here, in order for you to change the display name, just simply click on this icon over here. And guys, remember that you can only change your display name every 7 days. So pretty much just simply provide the new username that you have. And after that, guys, just simply click on save down below. And after that, you should be able to change it. There you go. Now, for the username, guys, you can just simply click on over here. And after that, sadly, you need a 1,000 Robux in order for you to change your name. Now, if you have 1,000 Robux, guys, you should be able to change the username just like the display name earlier. And there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.